Recording the sewer line here at 2515 5th Avenue West, dates April 20th, 2020, or April 15th, 2020, excuse me. Recording this from the north side of the house, Cleanout access. What we're looking at there is a Seattle City main line running up and down 5th, common line shared with all the neighbors. So this is where the responsibility for 2515 ends. And as we come back towards the Cleanout now, we'll head back into the work Bob Oates has done. In the past, here is this 6-inch liner we installed a couple years back. Liner's still intact, looking to be in good shape. And coming back into the plastic repair Bob Oates installed out in the parking strip a couple years back. And then we're going to come back into the liner we just installed as part of this project, April 2020. Right here, there is the start of the liner, just installed today. Coming back, this is now 4-inch pipe, 4-inch liner install, back into 4-inch plastic. Down where the other side of the house ties in there, back into 4-inch liner. And then back into the piece of pipe installed in the garage here. So garage, now we're coming back into more liner we've done here, lining work. This is the gap that we allowed for the downspout in the front of the house to continue to drain. Top right side of the screen, you'll see the access. So we allowed a small gap in that clay line to allow that front house downspout to continue to drain. And here is the 90-degree plastic turn we installed. Along in the stairwell there, on the stairway. So we're coming back up, getting close to the Cleanout now. There's the gap we allowed for the new downspout to be tied in. So we lift the liner in both sides where this downspout's tied in. That should no longer be a root problem. And then into the existing Cleanout. There's the existing Cleanout we recorded from. That's the end of the video there.